Yasanso ewo attention TV na abemu bi e friend no eye Bongo Ideas a wono so ne trendy a wafa ne se wo bia be post ni picture papa bia wodi ni birthday anas wo ye bibia kona picture da ho na brantie abeto hompe ye ka se obi ato hompe o kan sam asebe tan nim guase de fa ho a na anu odin na we de yesi akwalabo wa bato mwa chechede wo bo wa bia na anu odin o man pani eye na ekufu ado ne first lady ne yere toto muto wona ne bobra fitine nkwala se besi sabre amami ye di ne birthday utunu se birthday etia pop birthday ekuku damfo ne enwanyamfo na ewo himami na eye Bongo Ideas kotro sebe esemfun koto mami humpe koke kansama kese edigu mami mufi we nam so ma yesoma eye aposifo ekofa eye Bongo Ideas na ye ntimi hu se aposifo na ekofa no se bna fo na ekofa no gise ye kokotie mu ono ankasa ne nua anase ne sister wone ne tifie ekwan ye fa so a omo be fa eye Bongo Ideas ede ne koy na omo de ne ba ye nso na se tremu te se eye anase ye ma ye ko ne nua ba no ne ye kotie nkoma one eye Kofi TV etwetwe ye mra sisia.
They're very unapologetic. If
this is the omambono, but obaye no state a wo mu na obaye no and I make us almost touchano.
If I'm a critic,
okay,
a very
onye bully.
Me a very unapologetic. If you didn't answer, me say me a very unapologetic. So me friend one critic, but only say Ghana people are not used to that. People are used to yes, massa, mate. People are not used to questioning. People are not used to sharing their opinion. If you cry, say, oh, by a catch, say, akwalanka sa penyinka sa don't talk. So most people know they have a lot to say, but they don't know how to say it.
To me, aka. When about yanka, ebe mo adwo na mo akwa baba Angel FM Angel TV so.
Good evening.
Good evening. Empombo ko de.
I'm sorry.
Yes, ye ho ye. Anya bia wo na Ghana police fra na afise Ghana police o ma fra busuani bia o kire se Bongo Ideas ewo efie na obi anche. Wa no mo fra o.
Me patron.
Okay. Ye no kire se o fie.
Me patron I wo fie.
Angel FM. Na de di kan ba ye se ye chi no ye no kire se ye chi no na.
Me patron ye no kire. Me and me circulate some information.
Abra ye chi no one na circulate here.
Me patron.
Ehimfo na be chi no.
Okay, so this is the case. No mushe police atare.
Okay.
And then they came to the house. And now omo be fan e koy. Now I saw a press statement online.
Yeah.
Ghana police any national security. Omo ka say enyo omo no mo be che no. They don't know anything about it. So the question is, if they don't know anything about it, who are the men who came to our house around 2 a.m. wearing police for attire? They took him at 2 a.m. and then he came back home around 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So if the police are saying they did not pick him up, then who did?
They ben and omo picking up. Enra. Ena oba back da ben.
Eneda.
Enra na. Omo de call police station ben.
So ye be fa ne call ye no. Ye ka say ye be join police car na e ba ye no. They refused. Omo try station console. They refused. So in the morning I left and I came to work.
Okay.
And me aunties, me uncles no. They were roaming from one police station to the other. Baby ombe ko bi omo so munya case bi asai. Nti my ebusiafo no ye panic akra. That is what happened.
Okay. Ono ankasa o se omode ne koy no omo se waye den ne crime ana se de nti omo chi ne sen.
Okay. One cat ne crime dey. But baby omode ne koy no ene de omode ye no. Oba no my ebusiafo asote. So we are aware. We know what happened. We know where they took him to. We know where they did to him. But as to omo ye because Ghana police for so nim ho hwe. Nti omo enu de ni momo a no omo tie twi. And na baby omo de ne koye ni no omo ye ni bia no. We've contacted a couple of people. They will help us out at the right time. And also mo better.
Na guess omo de ne koye no omo bo no.
Omo mbo no. But omo tocha no. Omambono. Touch and omoko touch.
Is it about the last poster or yeah or social media? If I nanado ne yere ho ana.
Truthfully, I don't know.
Angel FM.
Ena ono ankasa nso ankyerɛ sɛ ɛfa ho anaasɛ ɛmfa ho.
Pacho Dabi. One tresse fa one as found.
O can touch electrical shocks anaasɛ beatings anaasɛ ehunahuna.
Beatings be omambono, but obaye no states a woman now obaye no, and I make us almost touch no. But on Bongo Nankasano, he's not able to speak well. He just told us a few things that happened. And then some people called. My number is online, so some people called. Though Bongo is very annoying, and almost every Ghanaian hates him, including myself. Still now, our loved ones out there.
Angel
So people
FM.
got in touch. People want to help. They want to know what happened. You know, since Ghana police are saying now we don't know who came for him. But no mushe police attire. There were 3, and then another man in a blue long sleeve shirt. No mobile, no fan. As at 2 a.m. That was the time they came.
Ubetumi identify omo.
Who am I making me identify omodi?
Also, you are annoying. Wangasa kra ne ho ye wahi. What does he do? Dear Nama, wo in person on ho ye wahi.
Some of the things he posts online.
Angel
OBTH, Obeka say maybe the family we don't talk to him, and now we are in support of the things he does online. No, we are not. We speak to him, we advise him, but you can attest to it. Say it is up to you to advise someone. But say nipa ne befa na so on Friday, no one kasa so. And we can't say so say Bongo ya annoying intino. Say bibi to na obi abe jane sa keke. No. In as much as oye annoying or so mboma yen ebusiafo no. So
But Cecilia ne ho ye.
yes, Cecilia ne ho ye. Actually, no, Beko hospital for checkup 1 or 2 be. But anapa we dey me fifi na he was okay. Ne ho ye.
Yes, as a family, no more surprise. Police and national security this are released never,
I'm
right?
saying they don't know exactly. Me pacho sa.
So could nipa na be fan no could they be impersonators? Say bia will be na police uniform be no wash no ababeche no.
Yes, it could be because when the issue happened yesterday, someone called or say or your lawyer, he wanted to help. That was before a Bongo ABC. So I was at work and I received the call, so Wabifi. Then when the lawyer called afterwards, me trying to say Wabifi, that is the most important thing.
Okay. One kasa me no shas ya no gitu mo say wona police statement na kire say omo frɛ family member ama wagye atum say o fie you are the one. What the say explanation na ama omo abro mo frɛ o.
So once a number is frɛ,
yeah.
Most of them don't even identify themselves. Unlike Muji and Nipan on make a no.
Yeah.
Or friend me earlier, me trying to say my busy. On friend me this time.
Okay.
Our friend no. Ebi mo friend they are like me patcho Bongo ntina me friend. Me patcho yati say wa be fie no kre. Do you get how most of the conversations no echo? Na maka sem patcho ai wa be fie. Then the conversation ends there. Obi an shada am friend me e ma me ntwe mu ye.
All right. Ma udi yesen.
Me de nanaya.
Nanaya. All right. Nanaya yeda se.
Ekwentu ana mbeso mwende bi makram.